Hello everyone. So we have day 17 and overnight we've got some some little cuties that just hatched, and we have early afternoon now, so I decided to take them out because I can hear lots of movement in there and I already had a sneak peek. So I will move them into the prepared box and then we go from there. And I will try to do it as quickly as possible. And look at it, because there's still some hatching. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and these are very weak yet, the remaining ones. So I'm quickly closing the box and we'll leave them until they're really nice and fluffy before I remove them. So I will probably leave them until tomorrow, day 18, and yeah, we see how many more we get. And here they are. I will give them some food, water now, and obviously some warming lamp, so they get everything they need. They have found the warmth, so crowding under the lamp here. They will calm down very soon after they have eaten something. So at the beginning I am just sprinkling some food, and you can see straight away some of them already getting into it. And because they are so tiny, I am keeping a stone inside a lid so they don't drown. And then I will use the waterer. After about 1 hour, they're starting to explore and already having a drink, so starting to feel comfortable. Eating. So I just removed the lamp so you can see it, but now going back on. For the lamp we are having a simple old lamp with a special, how you call it, special bulb that gives the warmth they need. We bought it on eBay. It does the job and doesn't cost lots of money. Another half an hour and the little ones seem very happy, calmed down. They have eaten, they have drunk some water, and yeah, going to sleep. also lowered the lamp, because when they are crowding and are very nervous, so sometimes it might be that they have not enough warmth. So now they seem really happy. They are all happy now. I will obviously exchange daily, so they always have nice and clean environment, and I will change into a waterer after maybe 3 days. I have a small one because then when they start to eat and drink, so I will have to refill every hour probably. And I will also give them a proper little bowl with food, so they have always food available. And we will see how the outside temperatures will be. So sometimes during summer I already move them outside after 7-8 days. So depends really on the outside temperatures, especially during night. But this is I have already video about it, so I will link it in the description below, and also in the card somewhere on the in the video you will find it, or in my playlist as well about our animals. So yeah, you can see happy and healthy little ones. I still have some in the incubator, so I will move them into here once they are really nice and fluffy and fit to join the others, so they don't squish them. And probably I will keep the other ones when they are wet until next day in the incubator, and then they move them into here. Wet quails are still not ready to be moved out of the incubator, so they have to be nice and fluffy, like these little cuties. Ah, look at them, look at them. So little. So we have a late spring now, or middle of spring, so the night temperatures are not very high yet, so probably they will stay with us for about 10 days, maybe 14 days before they will be moved outside. But how I do this, so check my other video. And maybe a few words about the food. I like to use the wild bird starter, but sometimes our local supplier here doesn't have it available, so chicken starter is perfectly fine for them too. They usually know straight away how to eat and drink, but you can help them if they're hopeless by sprinkling some food on the tissue. That's what I always use at the beginning, and then later on I use something else, like a proper bowl or something, so they don't make too much mess with the food. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. Leave a comment how you like the little ones and the video. Hopefully it is helpful. I have eggs available, fertile eggs, and sometimes I'll also have a little ones available if you are local to Fraser Coast. So you are welcome to send me inquiry. Happy breeding and have fun with your little quails.